close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hey guys, thank you so much for 50,000 subscribers. It's a huge amount for me, and it would not have been possible without your support, guys. It's all because of you guys. You watch my videos, like, share and comment on it. So thank you so much. Okay guys, so let's come back to today's video now. I have made this jumpsuit from a leftover fabric. I bought some fabric last year for stitching kurti, but I didn't make it. So I had some fabric and I was thinking to reuse it, to use it basically. Some of you has requested me to make a jumpsuit, so I thought why not to use that fabric for making jumpsuit. You can also use such fabric if you have any in your home which you think you will not use for any other purpose, then you can make jumpsuit out of that. Really hope guys this video will be useful for you, and if it is, then you know what you have to do: like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss my videos and you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. Also guys, you can follow me on my Instagram account for the latest updates. I have uploaded the pictures of this DIY on the Instagram account, so go and check it out and you can follow me there. And if you recreate any of my DIY idea, you can share your pictures with me. I would love to feature your name on my Instagram account, so do check out my Instagram profile. The link is given in the description box. And now without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is the fabric which I am using for the jumpsuit. This fabric is 44 inch broad and the length of the total fabric is 80 inch. On its one side, place the top which is comfortable for you and draw the size of the top. I want the top of the jumpsuit to be cropped. That's why I will keep it short than the actual top. Also join the neck in a curvy way. Now leaving 1 inch margin for the seam allowance and cut it out. This is the front side of the top. Using this we will cut the second side of the top also. Place the back part on the right side and front part on the wrong side and stitch its sides. Now hem the shoulders, neck and armholes. For hemming always fold twice and then stitch it. Moving towards the bottom, take the remaining fabric, fold it half and make a cut from the middle. Now we have two pieces. Now fold both of them together from the middle. In this way we have 4 open corners and 2 fold corners. Now place the pajama on the folded side. Now you can see the pajamas generally have elastic on their waist, but our jumpsuit is without any elastic, so we cannot rely on the waist of the pajama. For the proper size of the waist, we will use our top. So we have to take the size of the top. For that we have to fold the top into half. Now we have to start marking the waist where the folded top ends. Now start drawing the curve like the pajama has. After this point we will draw a straight and wide leg instead of narrow to make a palazzo look. Now cut it out. From this area I have made it little more curvy. Open the fabric. We have both legs like this. Place the back part on the right side and the front part on the wrong side. Now first stitch both the sides. At this point keep open the leg part of the palazzo like this. After stitching, hold it from the middle and now turn it. Now you can see we have got the shape of the 2 legs. Now join the V shape of the legs. Now it's time to attach top to the bottom. For that keep the legs on the wrong side and top on the right side. To fix the top on the proper place, mark a point on the middle of top on both the sides like this. And for that we have to fold it half and then mark a point. Now insert the top in the hips of the palazzo. Now you can see the stitched part of the palazzo are just in the front of the marked point. It shows that our top is on proper place and it's not misplaced. Hold the corners of both the pieces secure with awl pin. and give a straight stitch. On the shoulders we will attach 4 buttons, 2 on each side, and sew it using needle. Take a piece of fabric of 1 inch and the length is 10 inch. Now fold it from both the sides and then again fold it and pin it up, and now give a straight stitch. Now we will make 4 pieces out of it. Now we will make holes. For that, repeat the process like I am doing. For the belt loops, take a piece of fabric of 2 inch broad and the length is 5 inch. Now fold it from both the sides, then again fold it and give a straight stitch. Now attach these belt loops on the side corners where we have attached the top to the bottom. For the belt, take a 5 inch broad fabric and the length is 36 inch. For that we will take 2 pieces of fabric and join them to increase the length. Now fold it half and stitch the open side. Also stitch one of its corner. Now using any pen or pencil, flip the inside out. Now also stitch the remaining side. And the belt is ready.
Towards the sun rays and on we'll go.